Hi, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and hospitality facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by players to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of public use is now displayed on your screen, which may address any of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, it is required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb. It is nothing but the surroundings. Visit online. You can book an online and enjoy your stay. These numbers are available for this property along with various plans and reviews. If you are planning to stay, the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new topic.